Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be another tooth tutorials. I have my hair up because I hate wearing makeup. I hate doing my makeup and having my hair down. Yeah, because it feels disgusting. So yeah, I already have my face makeup done. I tried doing a video and it didn't work. So yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a wing eyeliner. So yeah, so what you're gonna need is a eyeliner. I use 2 or 1. I use like sometimes 1, sometimes 2. So yeah, today I'm gonna be using 2, but you can use 1. So this is like, I think like the Celine eyeliner. It rubbed off. I don't really know, but I think it's like called Celine or something. And so yeah, I'm just gonna teach you how to do it. Hopefully I'm not blurry because like my videos have been blurry. I don't know. This is blurry right now. Okay, cool. So hope I'm not blurry. Okay, yeah, so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna take your eyeliner and just go like this. Like, don't even think, just do it. Don't breathe, don't think, don't do nothing. Done. Okay, I twitched my mirror. I like jerked it like a little bit. So yeah, you're just gonna do that. Then that's done. So then you can either finish the eye. I like to do, I'm blurry again, but like I like to do the steps at the same time, you know? So now I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, that's it, done. Am I blurry? I'm blurry. Okay, so now after that, you can like fill it in if you want. You don't have to do this, like just go like that for now. Okay, and then now I'm gonna take my liquid liner by Urban Decay. It's the razor sharp one in black. And yeah, I don't really like liquid liner, but I bought it, so I'm just gonna use it. So now what I do, I kind of follow like my last lash and just go up from there, like where your last lash is, just like, you know, like follow it. I don't curve it either. I just make a straight line, like that's it. I wouldn't cover my eye when I did that. So yeah, that's what I do. I do that. Okay, now the other eye, the same thing. Like that. Okay, and as you can tell, I messed up, but that's okay. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna, there we go. I made like this line right here, like a little bit lower. So yeah, and I'll clean it up after. So now we're gonna do this line, and now what you're gonna do, you're just gonna do, whoop. Don't even think, just that. And then the other eye, same thing. Bingo, done. And then you can like clean it out a little more like that. Like that. And then, okay, I just blinked when it was still wet because I have like eye shapes like weird. Yeah, so then I take my marker again. I just color it in. I think I just got a splinter in my knee. Okay, so yeah, then I just go like that. And then make it more even. Like that. Oops. Like that. And then, yeah, so then now I'm gonna take a little Q-tip. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my little simple micellar water, and then I'm just gonna like clean it up because I totally messed up. And then I'm blurry again. I really hope this video for glory. Okay, then I'm just gonna like touch it up a little bit. Okay, done. So then after that, that's it. So then you can like, you know, comb out your lashes. And then you can curl your lashes. And then you can put mascara on your lashes. I think I'm blurry. Okay, cool. So I'm just using like the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I'm just gonna put it on the top lashes. And then I'm gonna use like my like little mini It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It was like in an Ipsy bag. I don't have Ipsy, my friend gave it to me. And then I'll put it on the bottom lashes. Okay, and then now you can either leave it like this, or you can use your little eyelash tools and put some eyelashes on. I like eyelashes, so I'm putting eyelashes on. I'm gonna use these ones. I don't know what they are. They're stuck together. But I'm using these ones. I think they're like, I think these might be like Iller or something. I don't know how you say it. But yeah, okay, so then I'm gonna be taking my little eyelash tool, and I'm just gonna be grabbing them. They're stuck. And then I'm gonna take my eyelash glue. Put an eyelash glue on. Ow, my butt cheeks hurt. And then I'm just gonna be plopping it on. Oh, shoot. Like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, done. So now I'm gonna take my other eyelash and then put it in the little tool. Okay, that was gross. So yeah, that's how I do my wings. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, give it a thumbs up. And then subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching.